Hello, this is Dr. Richard Downs. Let me share my screen. I'm going to talk to you about hypochlorous acid and fogging systems. Just wait a second here while I pause. So many of you remember me talking about Dolphin Pods. This is a tablet. 40 tablets come in this container. And when you drop the tablet into a 24-ounce bottle, it makes a hypochlorous acid solution. You don't have to use electrolysis. Now, the nice thing about it is that when you make hypochlorous acid, it continually gases out of the liquid, just like ozone does and chlorine dioxide does. It gases out. So if you make up a bottle with electrolysis, within a couple of hours, it's already becoming weaker. So you might get 200 parts per million plus the contaminants that you get from these systems that you get off of eBay or Amazon, but they're not really made for office cleaning. They're not EPA approved for such a thing. This is EPA approved, and when you put a tablet in here, you get about 1,300 parts per million. It's a very strong. It's EPA approved for surface decontamination. But in addition to that, it has the NADCC chemical in here, and when you use it and it gases off, it continually makes more hypochlorous acid to keep its strength at a constant level. And this solution will last you 30 days. So you can continue to use this without wasting it. It's much less expensive and safer for your staff than Cavicide or any other quaternary ammonium product. So this is what you use, and I recommend you can buy it at dentalsleepbalance.com or sleepbalanceacademy.com. And then you can also fog this by diluting it to around 200, 250 parts per million and add it to our fogger. Now, our fogger is connected to the air outlet, so it's whisper quiet in your operatory. And you don't have this loud, noisy device. These foggers can get around all the corners and help decontaminate all the surfaces in your operatory quickly. You can quick disconnect here, and we supply other disconnects for other rooms. And you can go from room to room, quietly disinfecting all the surfaces in the rooms very quickly. One thing you need to know that no HOCl product on the market today is made for decontaminating the air. It's for surface decontamination. So go to Dental Sleep Products or dentalsleepbalance.com or Sleep Balance Academy. Click on office, pandemic sake office, and this is where you'll order the foggers and the hypochlorous acid. Thank you very much.